So today we are continue our part of class 4 chapter number 2 decoding computer science. So here we are know how to working with uh, the file explorer. So we have to first know what is file explorer. File explorer is a computer program that helps to navigating from place to another. So it helps to view and manage files folders present in the various folders. So here you can see view option, create and rename and copy paste delete options to the folders. So how to start a file explorer? We see two ways, that is one is in genuine ways and another in shortcut. So the shortcut for file explorer is windows, and at the same time you have to click on the E, then the file explorer option is comes on and you have to just select it and open the file explorer. So if we don't do the shortcut for that uh, particular program, so you have to choose the general method, that is we have to go to the search box of the start bottom and search here the file explorer, and the file explorer app is shown in the list, and now the file explorer window will appear as shown below. You can see this one is the file explorer option. So here you can see in at the below there is a navigation pane, and here you can see many things are shown here. So we have to know the file explorer interference for the explore interference of the file explorer. So here you can see the first one is navigation pane. In navigation pane there are computers files and folder structure and access files and folders are shown, and forward and backwards of back bottoms enables you to go to folders you have already opened. And the last one is ribbon, it helps you to use the different options in the file explorer. And the next one is address bar, and the fifth one is the column heading, and the sixth one is the search box and file folder listing, and then preview and details pane and the status bar. So in the next class we are going to know how to create a folder. So thank you, see you in next class.